What if I told you $50 is all you need to turn a boring house into a breathtaking sanctuary? Sparkles. Most people shop for a vibe. At Beki Décor, we build it from the grain up. Today, we're decoding budget living alchemy, transforming raw wood and simple materials into high-end, rustic masterpieces. Let's make your budget look like $1 million. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the home of organic modernism and mindful artistry. I'm Beki. If you've been dreaming of that warm, rustic charm but thought it required a massive renovation budget, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering budget-friendly DIY wall decor and easy woodcrafts that anyone can try. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to bring nature indoors and elevate your patio for under $50. We're building a space that tells a story of elegance and sustainability. Let's get grounded. Designer Secret 1. The floating grain, modern rustic wall decor. Luxury begins with tactile integrity. Step 1. We're creating floating grain wall art. Using a simple $12 pine board, use a wire brush to pull out the soft fibers. Step 2. Apply a thin, watery coat of weathered gray stain. This is Material Alchemy. By emphasizing the wood's natural battle scars, you create a piece of architectural art that mimics high-end reclaimed barnwood. It turns a cheap plank into a breathtaking focal point that anchors your entire entryway. Designer Secret 2. The geometric block, DIY wooden wall decor. We're practicing linear rhythm with budget wood blocks. Step 1. Cut your wood scraps into identical 4x4 squares. Step 2. Mount them to a thin plywood backing in a staggered pattern. Here is the designer's secret. Use a high-contrast dialogue. By mixing raw wood with matte black, you introduce architectural soul. This $10 project mimics 3D wall installations found in luxury boutique hotels. It's a sophisticated silhouette for a fraction of the price. Designer Secret 3. The tallow lantern, garden and patio sophistication. Let's take the beauty outside. Step 1. Create an open-frame, tallow lantern, using 1x1 cedar strips. Step 2. Keep the wood raw for that organic minimalist look. This is shadow architecture. At night, the open frame allows light to spill out in geometric patterns across your patio. It turns a $15 material cost into a bespoke outdoor sanctuary. It reflects the beauty of nature and timeless design without the big box store price tag. Designer Secret 4. The entryway, anchor, rustic home decor. Bringing rustic charm into your home doesn't have to be complicated. Step 1. We're building a handcrafted tray from scrap timber. Step 2. Add 2 matte black hardware handles. This is scale manipulation. By placing this tray on a simple entryway table, you anchor the space. It creates a warm, inviting retreat that reflects a personal, handcrafted touch. It's the difference between a house and a curated home. Designer Secret 5. The nighttime aura, the final reveal. The final 10%, the part that solidifies the luxury label, is the light. Step 1. Place a small warm light behind your geometric wood art. This is shadow architecture. It highlights the textures of your wood crafts and creates atmospheric depth. You've successfully transformed your space into a breathtaking sanctuary for under $50. You've turned the budget into bespoke. Before you head out to find your next piece of timber, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments of your day with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more intentional, grounded home is exactly why I do this. Every time you leave a comment or share your budget wins, you're helping us grow a community of mindful creators who believe that style is a choice, not a price tag. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to officially join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being here, and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at these wood grains and textures, remember, today wasn't just about DIY. It was about reclaiming your environment. When you take a raw piece of wood and turn it into something beautiful for your home, you are practicing a form of self-love. You are declaring that you deserve a sanctuary that reflects your soul, regardless of the numbers in your bank account. You don't need a luxury mortgage to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the beauty in the simple things. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today. Stay inspired and stay grounded.